Colmas are proud to be market leader of sustainable end-to-end road maintenance solutions. With ever-increasing emphasis on delivering more environmentally sustainable solutions, microsurfacing offers a cold-applied low-carbon alternative to traditional surfacing treatments. Prior to the Colmat MicroSurfacing application process, the existing pavement surface is swept. All ironworks and drainage gullies are protected and curbs are masked. Application features include complete traffic management to maintain safety and efficiency during application, compliance with health and safety standards. The microsurfacing product supplied by Colmas, namely Colmat, combines a high-performance polymer-modified bitumen emulsion with specifically selected high-quality fine aggregates. The application of a bond coat improves the adhesion between the existing pavement and the new Colmat microsurfacing layer. Colmat has a high emulsion content, which gives it an initial slurry consistency, thereby enabling it to be easily spread across the pavement, resulting in an even pavement finish. Thanks to the emulsion chemistry used, it quickly sets into a solid micro-asphalt surface, which can be trafficked within 30 minutes after installation. The variable laying width spreader can apply in widths ranging from 2.5 meters to 3.6 meters. This means greater flexibility for different laying situations, such as tight urban settings and wide-open rural roads. As the name suggests, microsurfacing is the application of a micro-thin layer of cold, applied bituminous overlay. It is the ideal solution for resealing, reprofiling, and restoring the surface characteristics of an existing road pavement that is otherwise in a good structural condition. Thanks to the emulsion technology used in Colmas, Colmat is cold applied, with no heating of the aggregates required. Carbon emissions are thereby reduced by 44%. As a micro-thin overlay, the use of natural aggregate resources is also minimized. Colmat is mixed on-site and applied directly to the road pavement by our highly skilled workforce. The initial layer of Colmat effectively regulates the road surface by filling existing depressions, including potholes, ruts, and cracks. A second layer is then applied to achieve the desired surface texture and skid resistance. The completed Colmat microsurfacing can serve as a wearing course or be surface dressed, depending on the specific project requirements. For pavements requiring a minimum level of surface texture, a percentage of high PSV coarse aggregates can be incorporated into the mixture. The inclusion of high PSV aggregates enhances skid resistance, ensuring a safer experience for road users. This process effectively improves the road's surface profile by filling ruts, depressions, and cracks, resulting in a fully resealed pavement that prevents water ingress. Consequently, drainage of rainwater from the road surface is significantly improved, which enhances the durability and extends the service life of the pavement. The reprofiling capability of Colmat makes it an excellent choice for preparing rural roads before surface dressing. Its improved drainage characteristics allow the surface dressing aggregate to embed very effectively, which significantly reduces the risk of aggregate loss during the winter months. Colmat, developed by Colmas technical staff, is backed by a rigorous quality control regime that ensures product consistency and the durability of the finished surface. The microsurfacing process has a proven track record and is widely utilized across the globe. Utilizing a multi-wheel rubber tire roller is crucial for achieving a smooth surface and optimal compaction of the finished pavement. This technique enhances skid resistance, contributing to a safer driving environment for all road users. For almost 100 years, we have innovated to build infrastructures that are always more respectful of the environment. We continue to be a leader in innovative, sustainable mobility solutions. Colmas is proud to promote microsurfacing as part of our Go Green with Colmas initiative. Please visit our Go Green with Colmas website to discover more about our environmentally friendly products and solutions, and learn how we are assisting customers worldwide in reducing their carbon footprints. For further information about Colmas and to see our vast range of products, services, and solutions, please explore our website. If you have any questions or need additional details, don't hesitate to visit the Contact Us section. Stay connected with us by following our YouTube channel and LinkedIn page, where you can find the latest news, updates, technical support, and engaging multimedia content. Thanks for watching.